Did you know that the global blockchain market is expected to reach a staggering $163 billion by 2027? Yeah, that's right. Blockchain isn't just a buzzword, it's the future, and you have the chance to be part of it. Imagine being a pioneer in this rapidly growing field, shaping the future of technology, finance, and so much more. But how do you get started? How do you become a blockchain developer? Becoming a blockchain developer isn't just about learning to code. It's about unlocking endless opportunities, diving into a world of innovation, and creating solutions that can transform industries. Whether you're passionate about decentralization, cryptocurrencies, or smart contracts, there's a place for you in this revolution. In a world that's increasingly digital, the demand for blockchain skills is skyrocketing. Now is the time to equip yourself with the knowledge that can set you apart. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Be the change maker, the innovator, the blockchain expert that the world needs. Ready to embark on this journey? Start by visiting my website for more insights on how to become a blockchain developer. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in blockchain and crypto.